In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online promoting Digistore 24 products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you two major traffic sources that you can use to start promoting your links and start making money online. So the first thing you want to do is create an account with digistore24.com. Once you have your account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. And once you come over to this page right here, the first and the most important thing you need to do is to pick a product. And you can pick a product from any of these categories right here. As you can see, these are categories where you can choose a product and start promoting right away. So now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the make money online niche right here. So basically I'm going to click on this internet marketing and e-business, but keep in mind the same strategy applies to whatever category you decide to go with right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this internet marketing and e-business, and as you can see right here, there are over 70 products right here that I can choose from and start promoting right away. This one right here is Tube Mastery and Monetization by MathPad. This is a course on how to make money on YouTube. And also you can see this one right here, Secret Millionaire Bot. So basically this is a product that is going to show people how to make passive income online. And also this is a similar product right here. And this product right here, Millionaire Dollar Replicator, is going to pay $31.24 for every conversion or every sale you make for this product. Okay, so before you choose any product, you want to check the popularity of this product right here. Okay, so basically as you can see right here, this product has a 4-star rating right here, which means a lot of affiliates are promoting this product. And if they are promoting this product, it means they are making money with this product. So basically that tells us that we are promoting a profitable product. So what you want to do from here is very simple. All you just need to do is click on this link right here to grab your affiliate link. So once you do that, you want to head over to shorten your affiliate link by clicking on this shorten right here. So once you do that, all you just need to do is click on copy right here. And once you paste this in a new tab, as you can see right here, is going to redirect us to this page right here. So basically what you can do now, as you can see right here, this is a product that's going to teach people how to make money online. As you can see, these are other people that have made money with this product right here. So now what you want to do to drive traffic to this product and start making money online, I'm going to show you two strategies that you can replicate today. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you have been making money before, you can definitely take advantage of this strategy and boost your earnings. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to this website that says findaforum.net. So basically, as the name says, you can definitely find numerous forums on this platform for absolutely free. Okay, so what you want to do once you come over to this forum right here, you want to click on this forum niches right here. And if you click on this, you can see there are some niches listed on this category right here. And also you can see they have a section where you can find easier niches. You can see right here, there are difficult niches as well. So basically, if you click on the easier niches, you can definitely promote products in these niches, because just like it says right here, it's easier to make money with that niche. But since we are promoting a internet marketing and make money online product, I'm going to click on this internet marketing right here. So once I click on that, as you can see, these are a bunch of forums right here that I can start promoting this product and start making money. As you can see, these are internet marketing related niches right here. Okay, you can see this one, the IM, and you can see this one. This is also another website right here. All right, as you can see, this is another forum right here. You can see this forum has over 2 million posts already, and you can imagine how active this forum must be. So basically, I'm going to be taking this forum as an example. So if I click on this forum right here, you can see this forum is hosted in the United States. As you can see right here, you can see also this website gives us details of the members of this website are from. Majority of the traffic that goes into this website comes from the United States alone, as you can see right here. Okay, some of the traffic also comes from France right here. All right, so what you want to do from here is very simple. All right, so you want to click on this link right here. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste it in a new tab. So if we come over to the website right here, like as you can see, and if you scroll down to the very bottom of this page, you can see right here that they have over 227 members on this platform already. You can see they have over 2 million posts and over 148 trends on this website alone. So what you need to do from here is very, very simple. You want to come over to this website called plrpll.com. So basically, this is a website that gives you free right to use articles for absolutely free. As you can see, these are the rights that you get for using these articles for absolutely free. Okay, so now since we are taking the make money online niche as an example, so I'm going to click on this affiliate marketing right here, and you are going to see numerous articles on this category right here that you can use for absolutely free as if they were your own. So basically, if I look at this one right here, you can also see the ratings of this article right here. This one has a 3.7 out of 5. So if I click on this article right here, all right, you can see I can copy this article and use it for absolutely free. You want to copy the title of this article right here, and you want to go over to googledocs.com, and then you want to paste the heading right here, as you can see. Okay, so once you paste the heading of this article, so I'm going to reduce the size. All right, so I'm going to reduce it to about this size right here. So the next thing now is to copy the article itself. So all I just need to do is scroll down to the bottom of this article. All right, and I'm going to paste the article right here. So now, since we are promoting a Digistore 24 product about how to make money online right here, as you can see, this is a free article that gives people information on how to make money with affiliate marketing overnight. As you can see right here, it says top 3 ways to boost your affiliate commissions overnight. So basically, this is an information that is going to help people to make money with affiliate marketing. So what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to type something simple like number 1 passive income system, and then you want to come over to click on this link right here, and you want to go back to copy your Digistore 24 link you're shorting on this website right here. All right, so once you do that, all you just need to do is click on apply. So once you do that, now you want to copy this link right here, and you want to paste it in the bottom of this page as well. All right, so that as people come over to this page right here, they get to see this link right here. They will be taken to the Digistore 24 product. So now what we are going to be driving traffic to is this document right here, and I'm going to show you how to do everything. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on this share button right here, and then you want to click on this restricted right here, and you want to change it to anyone with link. All right, so once you do that, all you just need to do is click on copy link, and you want to go back to cut.ly again, and you want to shorten this document link. So now you've shortened the link. As you can see right here, all you just need to do is click on this copy, and then you want to come back to this forum right here, and you want to click on this affiliate marketing forum. So once you come over to this forum, basically all you just need to do is to reply by saying something simple like, I've been struggling to make money online for months now. I came across this article that pushed me in the right direction and boost my earnings overnight. You want to let them know you found the article on this link right here, and keep in mind this is the link to this document right here. As you can see, once they click on this document, they get access to this article right here, and they get to see this link right here. And I can guarantee you some people are going to check this link out, and if they purchase this product, you make money. Okay, so now the second traffic source that I'm going to show you is going over to Google and typing in make money online blog. If you type this on Google, you are going to see blogs that post articles on how to make money online. So basically you want to come over to these blogs because a lot of people are searching for this keyword on Google, and you can basically go over to the comment and you can basically share the same script on the comment section. So basically, if I click on this blog here as an example, how to make money blogging in 2022, you can see right here $200,000 per month. All you just need to do is scroll down. All right, you can see right here at the bottom of this page, you can leave a comment right here. So basically all you just need to do is copy this comment right here, and once you are in the bottom of this page, all you just need to do is paste in this script right here, and feel free to customize this script anyhow you want it. Okay, all you just basically need to do now, type in your name, email. You can type in any random website or any email here, and then click on post. So basically that is all you need to do for all the websites you find on this Google page right here. And you can see right here, there's even a second page right here, third page, up to the 10th page right here. And I can guarantee you that if you do this, you are definitely going to be getting at least 100 clicks on the links every single day. Okay, and all you just need to do is get 5 out of these 10 people, and this is the bare minimum. And if you multiply that by $31, which is the sale of this product, you are already making over $100 promoting this product every single day. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any useful information, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.